Two salary slips. Same city, same years of experience, same kind of company. One earns 26 lakh, the other 36. That 10 lakh line isn't luck and it isn't a promotion. It's one skill, and here's the part that should get your attention. This line isn't drawn at one level. Whether you're at 8 lakh today or 38, it redraws itself right above wherever you are. And in some sectors, the gap runs over 100%. The question isn't whether to learn AI anymore, it's where. And that's where people burn money. So here's the full list. Every course in Mumbai is actually worth crossing that line for in the first 30 seconds because you're busy. IIT Bombay for the academic brand. Learnbay's GenAI and Agentic AI Master Program for working professionals, whether you want to build AI or lead it. Coursera or Simplilearn if you're self-driven. XLR, Udemy or PW Skills if you're just starting out. That list is free, but it's also useless because the people who end up on the wrong side of that 10 lakh line mostly didn't pick a bad course. They picked the wrong one for them and quit by week 6. So for the next 5 minutes, I'm going to ask you 3 questions that pick yours. And I'll do 2 things most videos won't. I'll tell you exactly who should not buy my top working professional pick. And at the end, I'll give you a 4th question that no course can answer. And it's the one that actually decides which side of the line you land on. Question 1. The one most people never ask themselves. Are you buying a credential or a career switch? Different purchases, different winners. If it's the credential, the name that makes a resume heavier, Mumbai has one answer, and it's world class. IIT Bombay. Its AI Research Center, C-Minds, runs an executive PG Diploma in AI and Data Science, plus Generative AI certificates. For pure academic brand in this city, IIT Bombay is the gold standard, and it's in Powai, not a plane ride away. If that's you, your route's done. Links below. But know the trade. Academic programs are foundations first. One track for everyone. That's their job. And they do it well. A career switch is a different job. It needs a bridge from the role you have to the role you want. The bridge comes at question 3. First, question 2. The question that quietly kills more AI journeys than any other. When motivation dies, and around week 6, it dies for everyone. Who restarts you? You or someone whose job it is. Because a recorded video doesn't know your name. And it doesn't notice when you disappear. If you're genuinely self-driven, the person who runs at 6 AM without a partner. The platforms are terrific value. Coursera for bread and university branded certificates. Simplilearn if you want recorded content blended with live online classes. Honestly good and honestly cheap. But if you know yourself, if you need live classes, a mentor who notices when you go quiet, a schedule that drags you forward in the bad weeks, then self-paced isn't the cheaper option. It's just a smaller amount of money to lose. You need mentor-led. Which brings us to the last question. The one that splits the final 2 names on the list. And it's where I unlock that first chip. Last question. 2 years from now, is your job to lead AI or to build it? Think about it, because your whole company is quietly splitting into those 2 camps. And here's the thing, this is the first question in this video that's a trick. Because for working professionals, both answers lead to the same gate. Learnbay's GenAI and Agentic AI Master Program, just through different doors. Builders take the engineering paths, developers going deep as AI engineers, QA, data, cloud and DevOps folks crossing over. Leaders take the leadership path, managers and tech leads learning to drive AI strategy, judge architectures and run AI teams, not just code them. And non-tech and BFSI backgrounds get their own way in code, which in this city is the quiet killer feature. Banking, insurance, financial services, your capstone and domain specialization projects are built on your industry's problems. Now, I rate this program because it's narrow. So let me unlock that chip and tell you who should not buy it. Not freshers. There are cheaper first steps and I'll show you them in a minute. Not certificate hunters. Powai does prestige better. It's built for exactly one person, the professional with real experience who needs to become the AI person at work without quitting work. And the design shows it. Every class is live online and mentor-led. The mentors are working professionals from Microsoft and Mang caliber companies, teaching how AI decisions actually get made at that level, not just the code. Schedule for evenings and weekends with a hybrid option where your capstone becomes an in-person immersion at the Bengaluru center. It goes as deep as the executive programs, GenAI, Agentic AI, LLM Ops. But you don't just study these systems, you build and ship them. So in the interview or the boardroom, you're not describing a course, you're showing your work. And showing your work is what moves salary slips. And the freshers I turned away 2 minutes ago. Here's your honest first step. A Udemy course, a PW Skills program, or a local classroom institute like XLR. One rule before you pay any local institute in this city. Sit one live demo class. Ask exactly who teaches and ask what support you get after you've paid. Test the waters small. The 3 questions will still be here when you're ready. There's your map. Same list from the first 30 seconds. But now, one of these names is yours. Credential, IIT Bombay, self-driven, Coursera or Simplilearn, working professional, building or leading, Learnbay through your door. Starting out, start small. And if you're wondering whether the 10 lakh line is a one-off, globally, AI skills are commanding premiums of up to 118% in some sectors. This isn't a wave, it's the new floor. Which leaves the 4th question. The 4th question, the one no course, no ranking, no reviewer can answer for you. It's not which course is best, it's this. What will you do on the Tuesday nights of month 4 when the novelty is gone, the deadlines are back and nobody's watching? Because the 10 lakh line isn't crossed on enrollment day, it's crossed on those Tuesdays. The best AI course in Mumbai is the one you'll still show up for. So pick the route that fits your life, not your feed. Every route is linked below. And tell me in the comments which branch you landed on. Credential, self-driven, lead or build. Plus your background. I read them and I'll point you further. See you in the next one.